Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Parichay lesson 12 शरीर के अंग. शरीर means body. अंग means parts of the body. शरीर के अंग, parts of the body. So there are some pictures given on the top of the page. First one is eyes. We say aankh in Hindi. For eyes, we say aankh in Hindi. Khan. Next picture is Khan. Khan means ear. Ear is Hindi. First picture they have given eyes, that is aankh we say in Hindi. Next picture is ear they have given. They have given the picture of the ear and we say Khan in Hindi. Next, third picture shows the picture of the nose. We say naak in Hindi. Naak we say in Hindi for nose. Next picture, fourth picture they have given muh. They have given the face. Face means muh in Hindi. Next picture they have given the picture of teeth. For teeth we say dant in Hindi. Dant. So for teeth we say dant in Hindi. Next they have given the picture of lips. We say hot in Hindi. Hont in Hindi. Next they have given the picture of two hands. So for hands we say haath in Hindi. For hands we say haath in Hindi. Next we say pair for leg in Hindi. Next picture shows the picture of leg. For legs we say pair in Hindi. Next they have shown the picture of fingers. Fingers means we say ungli in Hindi. For fingers we say ungli in Hindi. Next they have given the picture of hair. For hair we say bal in Hindi. For hair we say bhal in Hindi. Bal in Hindi. So they have given the picture of eyes, aankh, ear, kaan, nose, naak, face, muh, teeth, dant, lips, hont, hands, haath, legs, pair, fingers, ungli, hair, bal. Now we go to the lesson. आंख, कान, नाक, मुंह, हाथ, पैर, उंगली आदि शरीर के अंग है. So eyes, ears, face, nose, hand, leg, fingers are all parts of the body. सिर शरीर का ऊपरी भाग है. सिर शरीर का ऊपरी भाग है. So the head is in the upper part of the body. Sir means head. Sharir means body. Upari bhag means upper part. Upper side. सिर शरीर का ऊपरी भाग है. Head is in the upper part of the body. सिर पर बाल होते हैं. So where do we have the hairs? We have it in our head. So that is what they have given. सिर पर बाल होते हैं. We have hair on the head. Hairs on the head. We have hairs on the head. ये काले या सफेद होते हैं. The color of the hair will be white or black. We all know that. So that is what they have given. ये काले या सफेद होते हैं. A means what? The hair. A means they. So they are black or white. Kale means black. Safed means white. So generally the hairs are black or white. That is what is given. चेहरे में दो आंख पास पास है. We have two eyes on the face. पास पास है means near each other. So we have two eyes on the face near each other. One eye is near the other eye. So चेहरे means face. दो आंख means two eyes. पास पास near near. They are near to each other. चेहरे में दो आंखें पास पास हैं. So there are two eyes on the face. आंखों के नीचे एक नाक और नाक के नीचे मुंह है. So there is a nose down to the eyes. Eyes are there. Below that there is a nose. One nose. एक नाक, one nose we say. और and नाक के नीचे. So below the nose, what is there? Mouth is there. For the mouth we say मुंह. For the mouth we say मुंह. For face also we say मुंह. Okay. So for mouth we say मुंह. So below the nose there is the mouth. मुंह के अंदर जीभ और दांत है. So inside the mouth, what all do we have? We have tongue and teeth inside the mouth. Jeeb means tongue, dant means teeth. So there are tongue and teeth inside the mouth. आंखें के ऊपर माथा है. We have forehead above the eyes. माथा means forehead. नाक के दोनों ओर गाल है. So both side of the nose we have cheeks. गाल means cheeks. नाक के दोनों ओर गाल है. ओर means sides. दोनों ओर, two sides. So we have the nose. In both side of the nose we have cheeks. Cheeks means गाल. गालों के पास दो कान है. There are two ears near the cheeks. We have cheeks and two sides of the cheeks we have two ears. दो कान means two ears. कानों के पास दो कान है. गालों के पास दो कान है. So on both side of the cheeks we have two ears. Next paragraph. हम आंखों से देखते हैं. We see with our eyes. देखना to see. हम means we. आंखों means eyes. In plural. I means आंख. आंखों means eyes. हम आंखों से देखते हैं. We see with our eyes. कान से सुनते हैं. So we hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. सुनना to hear. कानों से सुनते हैं. We hear with our ears. नाक से सांस लेते हैं. So we सांस means breathe. To breathe. नाक means nose. So we breathe with our nose. We breathe with our nose. So how do we say that? नाक से सांस लेते हैं. लेना is to take. We take breathe. So we respire. We take breath. We take the air inside. So lena is take. नाक से सांस लेते हैं, we breathe with our nose. मुंह से खाते पीते और बोलते हैं. So what do we do with the mouth? We eat and speak with the mouth. Move means mouth and khana pina means to eat. Bolna means to speak. So what do we do with our mouth? We eat and speak. मुंह से खाते पीते और बोलते हैं. We eat and speak with our mouth. खाने पीने में जीभ और दांत काम आते हैं. So the tongue and teeth helps in eating food. काम आते हैं means they are helpful to us. They come in use to us for eating and speaking with others. खाना पीना is to eat. Next, बोलने में जीभ और होंठ काम आते हैं. So when we speak, we use the tongue and the lips. होंठ means lips. बोलने में जीभ और होंठ काम आते हैं. For speaking, the tongue and the lips are used. Next paragraph. हमारे दो हाथ हैं. We have two hands. हम हाथों से सभी प्रकार के काम करते हैं. So we work with our hands. हम means we. हाथों means hands. सभी प्रकार के all type of काम करते हैं. Work. We do. So we do all types of work with our hand. हम हाथों से सभी प्रकार के काम करते हैं. हर हाथ में 5-5 उंगलियां हैं. उंगलियां means उंगली means finger. उंगलियां is the plural form of finger. Fingers उंगलियां. 5 means 5. So each hand we have 5 fingers. हर हाथ में 5 उंगलियां हैं. हर means each. हाथ means hand. Each hand has 5 fingers. हम अपने दो पैरों से चलते और दौड़ते हैं. So with 2 legs, what do we do? We walk and run. We run and walk with our legs. चलना is to walk, दौड़ना is to run. हम अपने दो पैरों से चलते और दौड़ते हैं. We walk and run with our legs. भोजन से सभी अंगों को शक्ति मिलती है. Whenever we eat food, we get the strength from the food. For bhojan means to eat our lunch or dinner or breakfast. So whenever we eat, we get strength to our parts. Ango means parts. Parts of the body. We get strength to the parts of the body. भोजन से सभी अंगों को शक्ति मिलती है. We get strength to all parts of our body when we eat. यह शक्ति खून के रूप में होती है. खून means blood. खून means blood. So the strength, how will be the strength? In the form of blood, and it will be in our body. यह शक्ति means this strength. यह शक्ति, this strength खून के रूप में होती है. So it will be in the form of blood. दिमाग सभी अंगों को काम करने का आदेश देता है. So brain, दिमाग means brain. It orders all the parts of the body to work. आदेश means order. Brain orders all the parts of the body to work. It directs them how to work. शरीर के हर अंग की रक्षा जरूरी है. We have to, रक्षा means to protect. It is necessary to protect all the parts of our body. शरीर के हर अंग, each part of the body has to be protected and saved. Hope you all understood शरीर के अंग, the parts of the body. You can practice by reading and understanding the meanings. Yeah, so it will be easy to you. Thank you.